If you're thinking about becoming a medical assistant, you probably have lots of questions about what it really takes to succeed in this field. What are the skills that separate good medical assistants from great ones? It's not just about knowing clinical procedures. It's about mastering certain essential techniques and skills that make you indispensable in the healthcare setting. Hey everyone, I'm Corey. I'm a certified medical assistant with over 10 years of experience working as a medical assistant. So throughout my career, I've seen what makes medical assistants truly successful in this rewarding field. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 5 skills you absolutely need if you want to thrive as a medical assistant. These aren't just nice to haves, they are the must-have abilities that will set you apart and help you make a real difference in patient lives. Skill number 1, multitasking abilities. The number 1 skill every successful medical assistant needs is the ability to multitask effectively. And I'm not just talking about doing 2 things at once, I'm talking about juggling multiple responsibilities while staying completely present with your patients. So on a typical day, it might be drawing blood from a nervous patient while mentally preparing for the next patient's procedure, all while remembering I need to follow up on a lab result that just came in. When you're a medical assistant, you're constantly switching between clinical tasks, administrative duties, and patient interactions. You need to be able to shift gears quickly without dropping any balls. So skill number 2, clear communication. In healthcare, communication isn't just important, it's absolutely critical. As a medical assistant, you are the bridge between patients and providers, and you're often translating complex medical information into terms that a patient can really understand. For instance, when a patient is confused about their medication schedule, you need to explain it clearly. When a doctor gives complicated post-procedure instructions, you need to make sure that that patient understands exactly what to do at home. But communication isn't just verbal. It's also about listening actively, picking up on nonverbal cues, and documenting accurate information in patient charts. I can't tell you how many times I've noticed something a patient mentioned casually and then it turns out to be clinically significant. Skill number 3, attention to detail. In healthcare, small details can make a huge difference. So whether you're measuring medication dosages, recording vital signs, or updating patient information, precision matters. I remember once noticing that a patient's blood pressure had increased slightly compared to their previous visits. It wasn't dramatically high, just a subtle change that could have easily been overlooked. But I flagged it for the doctor, who ordered additional tests, and we ended up identifying an early stage condition that might have gone unnoticed otherwise. Those little details aren't just paperwork. They can significantly impact patient care, sometimes even save lives. Skill number 4, technical skills. Of course, as a medical assistant, you need to be comfortable with various clinical procedures and technologies. This includes everything from taking vital signs and drawing blood to performing EKGs and assisting with minor surgeries. And the good news is that these technical skills are taught thoroughly in medical assistant training programs. But what makes a great MA is the ability to perform these procedures not just correctly, but efficiently and compassionately. When I'm drawing blood from an anxious patient, it's not just about my technical ability to find a vein, it's about keeping them calm, explaining what I'm doing, and making the experience as comfortable as possible. So skill number 5, adaptability. Perhaps the most important skill I've developed as a medical assistant is adaptability. Because healthcare is unpredictable and no 2 days are ever the same, you might start your morning with a perfectly organized schedule only to have everything change when an emergency walks through the door. Or you might be asked to float a different department where procedures and workflows are completely different. I've worked across multiple specialties from OBGYN to ENT to urgent care, and sometimes all in the same week. Being able to quickly adapt to different environments, providers, and patient needs is what makes a truly exceptional medical assistant. Now, after listening to all this, you might be excited about this career, but might also feel a bit overwhelmed. How do I learn all of this? The good news is that while some of these might come naturally to you, all of them can be developed with the right training and practice. And that's where it all begins, the proper training. The right medical assisting program doesn't just teach you procedures, but it helps you develop these essential skills that employers are desperately seeking. If you're serious about starting a career as a medical assistant, I have created a free masterclass that will show you exactly how to get started. In this masterclass, I share the day-to-day responsibilities of medical assistants, salary and growth potential as an MA, how to get your medical assistant certification online without going back to school, An honest comparison of different training options from traditional colleges to online programs. Plus, in this masterclass, I'm talking with Grant Aldridge, a respected higher education expert, and together we'll talk about a proven approach that could help you get job ready as a medical assistant in as little as 6 months. So if you're serious about becoming an MA, then I highly recommend watching my free masterclass. To sign up for this free masterclass, just click the link in the description below. I've also pinned it in the comments for easy access. Okay, people, so if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insights about the medical assistant career. Drop any questions in the comments and I will be so happy to answer them for you. This is Corey and I will see you in the next video. Take care.